everyone, today I am wearing this 3-layer hijab niqab piece. I am tying it from here. Let's open it. Let me show you this 3 layers niqab, which is show you one layer, and this is second layer, and this is the piece which we are wearing. So let's get started the tutorial with wearing this. I'm going to wear this 3 layers niqab with this cap. Let's start wearing it. I'm telling you how to wearing it. Putting it this part, oh, this part. I am so excited to wear it. This is the 2 straps which we are knotted here. Here it is, and this is the niqab piece which we are niqab. Putting one niqab pin here, and here it is. It's looking so much good. Oh my god, as you can see, it's looking good. Putting the 1 layer of niqab here. Second layer. It's looking good, so much good, and easy to wear. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and this is the without glasses look and before the glasses look. Bye bye guys. If you like my video, please just give video the thumbs up, and bye bye. Love you all.